What are you talking about, Blake?
He pooed and peed.
Who?
The birdie. No, he was dead. He was dead. He can't move. Hey, Mom.
Right.
I want to go swimming.
Well, not right now. It's not hot enough yet.
Aww.
So where'd you find the dead bird?
It was right there. It was right in the middle by a tree.
And then you picked it up?
On its wing.
And then, you picked it up by its wing?
Yeah. And I saw its wing butt.
Stop, you're sick.
And then the wing was opening.
It was?
Yeah.
Did it scare you?
No.
Well, did you break its wing?
No.
Did you throw it?
No. Yeah.
That's not nice.
I didn't throw his wing. I did it, and I broke it. We just got to cut it.
Cut what?
Its wing.
You're gonna cut its wing off?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's keep falling down like a squirrel. Yeah. Because I keep webbing him.
Bella, did you play with the dead bird too?
No. I was webbing him 2 times. Ow. Ow.
Bella.
Bo's not playing with him. Bo's not.
Belle, what are you doing?
I'm going to take your pants off and go swimming.
Belle.
Yeah.
Bella, did you pee?